Google Classroom is a marvelous tool for managing long-term class assignments. I'm thinking specifically about research papers and essays. These assignments can take many weeks to complete, and it's very overwhelming for both teachers and students to manage and effectively complete these assignments. The key to this trick that I'd like to show you is Google Classroom. So you can see I'm in a course right now, and I have created a question called Intro Paragraph Spot Check. Now it's important to note that this is not an assignment, this is a question using the question tool. This is a free response question, and I have turned off the ability for students to reply to one another. We can go ahead and turn on students can edit if you wish. So what you're going to do is once or twice a week, you're going to instruct your students to take one specific component of your assignment. It could be the thesis statement, it could be the first paragraph, the introduction, the bibliography, a citation, second paragraph, supporting evidence, whatever you want to look at for that day. You're going to create this question asking them to, submit their intro paragraph in this case. They will copy the text from their Google document and paste it directly into Google Classroom. This is what you will receive when they do that. So here I'm in Google Classroom in a course with some students. I have 15 assignments that have been completed. So go ahead and open this up, and you'll see a nice organized list of all of their intro paragraphs. Now, this is so much easier for you to grade rather than having to open up 25 or 30 different Google documents. Just the time it takes for those to load is alone a lot of effort and energy. So we're going to go through, I'm going to take a look at Allison's. I just click on her name. I can read her introduction, and I can leave her some feedback right here that only she will see. It's very manageable for Allison to return to class the next day, see the feedback that I made for paragraph 1, and go and apply those changes to her paragraph. It's also much easier for me, the teacher, to know that I only have to grade one paragraph, not 30 essays in their entirety. By the time your students submit their final version of the paper, you should have already provided feedback to them on all the individual components of their paper. So that final grade should be fairly simple, assuming the student has taken your feedback and applied it to the paper. Hopefully, this is a helpful idea for managing those long-term assignments and providing regular feedback to your students.